360 Jeezy. What's up, boy? 360 Jeezy. I did it?
Yeah, you did it. Good job, Jared.
That's all, Daddy?
Mm-hmm. Alright, you guys, just like with every haircut, you want to make sure you pick the hair out or comb the hair down before you actually start cutting. Using my Endless Slimline Pro Li, I'm going to set in my bald line. Now, I'm holding my ear down with my left hand and I'm going over the ear. I'm not taking too much off. I'm not going too far up. I'm going basically like a ½ an inch up, just doing an over exaggerated lineup. Using my Enhancements cordless BGRCs, I'm just going to bald out the rest of the bulk at the bottom. Now with the lever open, using my wall cordless seniors, I'm going up about an inch. Now I know you guys are like, man, Jeezy is really using them wall seniors lately. I mean, to be honest with you guys, these clippers are fire. All right, all it takes, if you're used to using the Andis Masters or the Oster's Fast Feeds, all it takes is practice to learn the guard system. To learn wall guard system, it just takes practice. So that's what I'm basically doing right now. That's what I did, is that I just practice every day with just using them, and you know, I found to really like these clippers. So if you guys have a chance to get your hands on some, you know, cordless seniors early, I would do it. I would jump on it. Now with the one guard open, I'm going up about an inch, and then at that inch, I'm scooping out. All right, my client wants that flared out look, so I'm trying to shape it as I set in this guideline. So right now, I'm just going to freehand the rest of the sides, giving my client that flared out look. I'm using my Enhancements BGRCs with the 5/0 blade, and basically I'm using the 5/0 blade because it makes the transition a little bit more smoother. Like if you use a regular clipper, say like, you know, with the lever open or something, the look of the hair you're trying to shape isn't gonna be a smooth look. It's gonna be you know, ragged, and you know, that's not, I don't even think that's the word, ragged. Where did that come from? It's just gonna look not as smooth. So make sure you use balding clippers whenever you shape someone's hair. So with the one guard open, I'm just cleaning up that area between the one and my freehand in a flick out motion. So right now you just see me close the lever on that one guard, and I'm just in a flick out motion attacking that middle line, just softening it up so I can come behind it with the next guard. So with the half guard on, open halfway, I'm just in a flick out motion, flicking out that middle line. Now, if anybody is familiar with me using the Andis zero guard, this is basically equivalent to the Andis zero guard. So make sure you have that half guard halfway open. Now with the lever closed in a flick out motion, flick out the bottom line. Now keep in mind that when you go up, you're going to have to adjust the lever and open it as you go up into that lever open. Now what you want to do is do some detail work. I got my one guard closed and I'm just flicking out, using my corners, trying to get in spots where I see bulk, where I see the blend isn't really, flowing right. I'm just attacking those areas. It's always good to take a look at something else. You know what I mean? Sometimes we get too focused on what the blend looks like and, our eyes get weak. So take a look at something else, come back and perfect the blend. Right here, I'm just doing more shaping using my BGRCs, getting that, that look that my client wants. I like to spray hairspray on my client's lineup because that really stiffens the hair and you'll get a crisp cut, when you hit it with the liners. Right now, I'm using my air compressor, just going in with some, kiss and spray, spraying it on my line, just to give my client's lineup a little bit more crisper, darker, defined look. I like to go over the lineup again once I sprayed the Kiss Express, just to give it more a defined look. Right now, I'm just gonna shape it a little bit more using my shears. You know, I don't want it to be real pointy on my client's edges. So after that, I'm just gonna go in and use my sponge curl and curl it up. YouTube, this is the cut, and if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys hit the link in the description. If you see any clippers that you want to buy, it's in the description below. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.